ProCare as a standard offering on heavy equipment from Case Construction really differentiates Case and customers who buy Case equipment because it gives them product assurance over a 3-year planned maintenance contract, 3-year 3,000-hour factory warranty, as well as a 3-year SiteWatch Advanced subscription, giving them knowledge about what's happening on that machine, and again, assurance that that machine will keep running for that duration of time.
By having the ProCare, they do all the oil changes, filters, and it's all included with the purchase price.
My service guys can see every hour on each machine what's going on. They know what these machines are burning, how many they put on a job, what to expect, especially when they plan out it's a 30-week project. It helps them put all their numbers together. We've got good data to show them right now, and I think it puts us ahead of everyone else.
Customers for Case heavy equipment automatically get ProCare on their wheel loaders, excavators, dozers, and motor graders. And that's going to give them the product assurance that they don't have to negotiate for extra coverage.
They bring all the filters, all the oils, all the necessary stuff. They take care of everything. I know it's getting taken care of by professionals, and then it's one less thing that I have to worry about or concern myself with trying to do as well.
They'll actually contact you usually when it's getting close on your hours. They'll call you and say you're getting close on your hours, and they take care of it. And actually, I wouldn't have one without ProCare ever again. And the other competitors, you can buy a ProCare, but they charge you a lot for it. So ProCare has been really good, and we really like the ProCare program.
The value of ProCare really comes into the customer in having that relationship with the dealership. And what the dealer can add to that partnership is they're able to provide their product knowledge and application knowledge for that piece of equipment for the customer, helping them better understand how to utilize it, or in this case with ProCare Planned Maintenance, how to maintain that machine better, getting the most productivity and efficiency out of that machine, helping the bottom line for that customer.